Hello, my name's Aaron Anderson. I'm an architect here in San Diego, and one of my projects was recently selected to be part of a pilot program with the San Diego Fire Department. This program is a fire risk assessment that homeowners can get. The fee is $163. The firefighters will come out, spend about 30 minutes assessing the fire dangers of your home, and give you about a 7-page report that helps give you some tips on how to make your house more fire-wise. So I'm going to use my project in Palma Valley to illustrate the ideas, since we had fire resistance in mind when we designed the house. So we'll start with the roof. For roof, use a type A fire rated roof like metal, tile, or fiberglass asphalt shingles. Periodically sweep your roof to remove debris from crevices that can catch embers. Clean out under solar panels. Replace plastic skylights with glass ones. And if you have vents, replace the screens. Most likely they're probably rusted out or the diameter is too large. So if you don't have fairly new screens with diameter of less than 1/8 of an inch, so if you can stick a golf tee through the vent, that's too big, and an ember can get into your vent. So that's a really easy fix. Go to Home Depot, buy stainless steel mesh, and just put it right over the existing one. You don't even have to take the existing one out. Cover wood eaves and exposed rafters with cement fiberboard or a fire-resistant paint. Many of my houses have the cement fiberboard. It's a very clean, smooth, modern look. It's kind of expensive to do, so a fire-resistant paint, or at least a new coat of paint covering up any exposed wood, is a really good idea. So for walls, use stucco, cement fiberboard, or metal siding. On the walls, also cover any exposed wood with a fire-resistant paint. If you're replacing your windows, use a tempered glass. That's required for new construction in San Diego. But if you're not getting a permit, you're just swapping out the windows, make sure they're tempered. Also, keep debris away from the base of the wall of your house. So particularly if it's stucco, so you get leaves that pile up, and then an ember catches those leaves on fire, and that flame goes right under the drip screed to the exposed wood, and that's a big way of how wall fires start. For your hardscape, build patio covers with metal. Sweep your rain gutters and use leaf guards on your rain gutters. A big push right now by insurance companies, and it may in the near future be required by the fire department, is within 5 feet of your house only have concrete, rock, or decomposed granite. So nothing flammable, no plant material within 5 feet of the house. That includes fencing, no wood fencing, so use a metal fence within 5 feet of the house. With the landscape, thin out. If you do have landscaping within 5 feet, like most of us do, at a minimum, thin it out so that you don't have a big clump of plants that become a bonfire. So you just want little fires if they do catch on fire. Remove the dead undergrowth under the plant. So even water-dense plants like succulents, below the plant you'll have a lot of dead, dry material that will catch on fire. So rake that, clear that away from the plant. Also, if you can do like a Corten accent wall, which I've done on a couple of my houses, the firefighter said that was a great idea because it sort of keeps the embers from blowing up against the house, so they'll pile up against this metal wall. So it's a nice design feature. Prune trees. Trees kind of get a bad rap, apparently. The media likes to focus on a burning tree, but they're generally not the problem. But if you do have trees near the house, prune them up at least 6 feet from the ground, or 1/3 of their height. Another thing that many of us have is mulch within 5 feet of the house. So if you have mulch that goes up against the house, that mulch catches on fire and it just burns and catches your house on fire. So replace the mulch with something like decomposed granite or pebbles or something that won't burn. Okay, so these are just a few of the tips to help your house become more fire-wise. I hope this was helpful, and we'll talk to you later. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye.